How you doing today, guys? EK Trader here. It is November 23rd, 2009 at 7:14 a.m. Put together this little video just to show you guys a couple things and show you what I've been doing. Um, what I have up right now is the Euro FX futures contract. For those of you who don't know, the Euro FX futures is basically the futures equivalent to the Euro USD spot market in the Forex. Um, I basically put this chart up. Let me zoom in a little bit to show you guys this trade I took. Basically, what I saw originally was this particular candle break a resistance level over here, and I decided to put in an order right around here, a limit order. Now I saw a slight volume increase on the way down, but I didn't believe in it that much because I saw the strength in the background here, and this is a 30-minute chart, so typically that kind of, that means a little bit more. So I wasn't really concerned about this slight little volume increase. Managed to get in here at a good price, and I'm still holding on to it in the spot market right now, even though it appears to be it'll probably retrace some, maybe to here or to here, and then I'm thinking that it's gonna continue forward. Let me just show you the spot market chart. Okay, here we are. As you can see, I'm in the trade right now, and still profitable. I basically went long 7 mini lots. This line right here shows where I got in at right here, and I'm still holding on to it here. So anyway, that's my trade. I have a stop loss here at what price is that? At 49.12. So I feel like, well, at the time I entered, I felt like if it went below this particular support level here, that getting stopped out would be okay because it would probably reverse. So anyway, that's enough of that. Just wanted to show you guys that. Also, I wanted to show you guys this is a chart of the E-mini S&P index futures, 30-minute chart once again. This is a high and a low. This dash line right here is the 61% retracement Fibonacci. This is the 50% retracement Fibonacci, and these dotted lines here are the pivot points. We have the S2, the actual pivot point, the S1, the actual pivot point, and then R1, R2, and R3. Just for the purposes of this, since I saw the market being bullish, I just took away the S2 and S3 lines. So basically what I wanted to show you guys is, I entered a trade here last night. Entered a trade at the end of this particular little candle. Let me zoom in on that. At the close of this candle, I entered a trade here based on a signal I got from this little white dot. Plus, I saw the strength in the background anyway, and it was on top of the pivot point, so I felt like it was okay to go long with a tight stop. I ended up going long, and then I ended up exiting the trade somewhere around here in one of these two candles. And I was just talking to a friend of mine last night about a technique called jumping the creek. And due to the fact that I knew I had the R1 pivot level here, the 50% retracement level here, and the 61% level here, also sitting right next to a pivot point, I said, wow, if the market goes up past this level, it's gonna really take, it's gonna have to take a nice leap. It's gonna have to be done really fast, and on low volume, because this is what some people call an ambush trade, and it seems to have completely split the ambush right here. So I don't know, right now this is where we're sitting. I'm out of the market right now, but it just pisses me off. I wish I would have, now I'm kind of wishing I would have stayed in it, because I would have been part of this big move here, but unfortunately I missed it. So my trading is probably going to be done for the day. I'm going to sit back and monitor the Euro USD trade. Nothing else to see there, but I just thought it was real interesting that, I was just talking about this last night. I was telling a friend of mine how on Sundays a lot of time the market will run wild, like right from the beginning. So Monday you come home and the market's up 100 points or whatever the case may be, and today happens to be one of those days. And I wasn't really expecting it to go through this ambush zone, but it seems to have done just that. So I don't know. Normally, in a situation like this, I would expect the market to turn, because this is a pretty heavy resistance level here, because you have two sets of market participants. You got the Fibonacci guys, you got the pivot point guys, kind of all playing at once here. So this should be a pretty heavy supply line. As you can see, it's had a little trouble breaking through. Kind of went through a little bit here, but I don't know how far it's going to go through. Also, usually the R2 pivot level is normally the high of the day. Now, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know if that's going to happen today, and plus it's very early, so I mean, who knows. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys that, just to share a few thoughts with you. Maybe you guys might have got some information or some ideas from what I was talking about, and that's it. Just wanted to share it with you. Anyway, EK Trader, Informed Trades Pro. Thanks for watching.